Alright, I believe I'm recording. This is gonna be a weird video. I don't have time later to record, so I'm recording off my laptop right now. So yeah, the settings are a bit weird. I know. Yeah, I'll be really busy later, and I don't want to record late at night of a stupid 5-minute video. So yeah, decided to do some stuff on to do while I'm at work. So yeah, I worked on this yesterday. I should finish. I'm gonna try to finish Inheritance right now if I can. What did we work on? We worked on the last thing was this, and yeah, okay, cool. Adding a wizard. Let's extend the hero class by adding a second child class. So, by the way, sorry for the background noise. Another class. Okay. Class hero. So yeah, instead of that, it's the okay. Let's extend the hero class by adding a second child class, the wizard. Wizard heroes are more powerful than archer heroes. They cast spells at other heroes instead of shooting them, and casting does 25 damage instead of 10, but also costs 25 mana. Okay. So what we know is that wizards should inherit from hero. So based on what I remember, it's super this period in it, and then we have to put in the arguments, which was name and health, if I remember. Name and health. Okay. Wizards should set up the hero's name and health. Set a private mana variable that can pass a third parameter to the constructor. Wait, what? Wizard should set up a hero's name and health? It already has that. Oh, mana. Okay, so we just do self dot underscore mana is equal to mana. And it should be private, right? Yes, private. Okay. So create a cast. So for cast, we're gonna do cast is what? Create a cast method that takes a target hero's input. Already does that. Wait, what? No. That takes hero as input. Create cast method that takes hero as input. That takes a target hero as input. I'm guessing it's target, yeah. So there's less than 25 mana left. Raise enough. If there's less than 25 mana left, raise a not enough mana exception. If mana will self dot underscore mana is less than 25. We're gonna raise exception. What is it? Not enough mana. And then we're gonna do otherwise remove 25 mana from the wizard and deal 12 damage to the target hero. Cool. Oh, wait a minute. I remember the target hero should be like this. Shout out. I'm not even gonna say his name because I don't want to expose him anymore. But shout out whoever helped me with this before. Which the target hero should be the get name. So anyways, let's do this. Otherwise remove, we're gonna remove 25 mana from the wizard. So we're gonna do I don't know why I'm brain farting, honestly. A lot is going on right now. Mana minus equal. We're gonna remove 25 from mana. Then we're gonna do the target wizard, which we have to get his name. Sorry. And deal 25 damage to a target hero. So take damage should be it. So that. Boom. Yep. I didn't even need to check anything because I feel confident about it. Something about this right here. Yes, we can change that target to hero, but what they do is that here, boom. Okay. Alright, cool. Cool. Let's move on. Wide, not deep. It's more common for inheritance tree to be wide than deep. Organism, animal, organism, animal, mammal, feline. Okay, so but it's wide drake. Okay. Okay. In your application code, you're likely to see a camera class inherit from a chain of 13 classes up to equipment. If you do, run. There are better organizations to work for, I swear. Why not deep? A child class is strict subsets to parent. In a deep tree, that means the children need to be perfect members of the parent class types. That just doesn't happen very often. It's more likely you have to have a base class simply from. So okay. Inheritance trees are more often blank. Okay, it's more often wide. And then deep. A class. Okay, a class must at least have blank children and at least most blank children. Wait, what? Must have at least children and at most one in infinite. Oh shit. What? Well, it can have infinite. No, well, no. It doesn't have to have children. That makes sense. Or it can have infinite children. I made a mistake. Sorry. That makes way more sense. Oh lord, we got some graphing shit to do. Fuck. Shit, bro. I'm not trying to do math right now. Okay, dragons. In Age of Dragons, there are orcs, humans, goblins, dragons, etc. All. Okay, before I read this, let me see. So we have coding right here, another coding right here, coding right here. Holy moly, this is insane. Wow, this is gonna take a minute maybe. In Age of Dragons, there are orcs, humans, goblins, dragons, etc. All of those different creatures are called units. The only thing specific to a unit that it has a position on the game map, X, Y coordinates, and a name. Dragons are a specific type of unit. They can breathe fire in a large area, dealing damage to any units touched by its fiery blaze. The game grid. Our game grid is just a certain Cartesian plane. Yep. Okay, so example: fire breath. Fire breath area effect 0022. Oh. Unit position moment. Then complete the following method. Complete the units in area method. It accepts an area represented by 4 points. Area represented by 4 points. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. The coordinates x1 and y1 represent the bottom left corner, while x2 represents the top right corner. Okay. Determine the unit within the given position area by using the unit's position coordinates, position x and position y. Bro, what the fuck kind of questions is this? I hate math. Okay, let me log in. Complete the units in area method accepts an area represented. Okay, in area method accepts an area represented by 4 points x1, y1, x2, and y2. The coordinates x1 and y1 represent the bottom left corner. And while x2 and y2 represent the top right corner. Determine if the unit within the given area by using the unit's position coordinates, position x, position y. What the hell is this stupid question? Let me make sure I'm still recording. I don't even know how this thing works. Okay. I see, this makes more sense. So x1 is 0, y1, y is 1. Pinpoint right there. x2, y2, pinpoint right there. And it has to be the bottom right corner. So the way it works is an area represented by 4 points x1, the coordinates x1 represent the bottom left corner while x represents the top right corner. Determine if the unit with the given position area by using the unit's coordinates. Determine if unit is within the given area. If what? So I gotta do so x1, y1, and I gotta determine a position x and position y. So position is it position x, position y. Units are within the given area. Determine if the unit. I'm not using GPT no more, so I'm gonna figure this shit out on my own. I can't. I gotta stop using GPT. It's not healthy. The coordinates x1 and y1 represent the bottom left corner, and now okay, let's just focus on x1. I gotta determine if. Okay. Within the area, that means it's like less than or greater than that area. So if target area center. Except an area representing 4 points, x1, y1, which x1, y1 is that bottom left. Now it's asking you in between the horizontal axis versus the bottom left. Now determine the given area by using the unit. Determine if the unit is within the given area. What unit? Each fucking unit, bro? This doesn't make fucking sense. I'm getting pissed off, bro. If it's in between here? Represent 4 point. Bro, I'm not crushing. It's too fucking hot in here to think. Represent 4 points. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. The coordinates x1 and y1 represent the bottom left corner, and x2 and y2 represent the top right corner. So I don't need to make a tuple, right? And check the tuple from x1, y1 is coordinates for position x. Determine if the unit is within the given area. So units, bro. If it's units, then it's multiple, bro. So that's what I'm thinking. Determine if the unit is within the given area by using the unit's position coordinates, position x and y. Determine if the unit, so the unit, this fucking unit, x1, y1, x2, y2 is one unit, is within the given area. Within the given area. I don't understand. So x1 and y1 are coordinates together, and then I have to check if it's in between, if it falls. Bro, like, I don't know how to check. I have to check a fucking. If okay, let's just give it a fucking example, bro. Give me an example, bitch. Fuck you. Please give me an example, please. Bro, just give me an example. Thank you. Giant breath 2, 3. Expect. I'm not doing this fucking problem, bro. I'm not doing that shit. I'm so done with this. I'm gonna go do some fucking leak code. Fuck this. I'm gonna come back to this. in a better environment. I can't do this shit at work. I'm burning. I can't do no math. I need to draw to understand this shit. Sorry guys, taking it L. Tomorrow's Sunday. I'm gonna do a way longer video. Goal for tomorrow. Where the fuck am I? Goal for it. I don't know when I'm gonna finish this. I'll probably finish this later tonight, hopefully. And tomorrow we'll start polymorphism. I really want to get this stupid course done, so I'm gonna finish polymorphism 100% on Sunday. I'm gonna get all. Dude, there's no way. There's so much fucking math. For what, bro? For what? For what? Please, no. Okay, I can add. Alright, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna go do some LeetCode and then where the fuck are you guys? I'm gonna go do some LeetCode and then do whatever. I don't know. I can't do that shit right now. Alright, later.